How to use ruler on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Measure application on your iPhone. Once the app is open, move your phone around to let the app analyze the area. Then, find a nearby surface to measure. A white dot will appear in the center of your screen. Align this dot with the point where you want to start measuring and tap the plus button to add your starting point. Slowly move your iPhone to the end point of your measurement. A line will be drawn between the 2 points, showing the live measurement. Tap the plus button again to complete the measurement. The final length will be displayed, showing both centimeters and inches. If you want, you can also copy the measurements for future use. Following these steps, you can easily use the ruler on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.